That's right. So what we know so far is that Pradeep Sharma, the former encounter specialist, was known to be close to Sachin Waze, who was arrested as the key conspirator in the Antela bomb scare as well as the Mansukh Hiren death case. Now, let's understand that even before this, Pradeep Sharma was questioned twice by the NIA officials at their office. And as a result of which, what we've seen is, since this morning, there has been a raid that's been carried out at the office, at the residence of Pradeep Sharma at Andheri. Now, his role could be understood in this entire case, I think, which is why the questioning is going on which is why there is a raid that's been going on at his residence. On the other hand, let's understand that just 2 days back, NIA officials had arrested 2 more people in the same case from Mumbai as well as from Latur. So now what we know is while the NIA was about to file a charge sheet in this entire case, there are more people who have been arrested and being questioned, as a result of which this entire raid is going on at Pradeep Sharma's house. However, there's no confirmation from the officials as yet as to why his role is being understood. But what we know so far is that both Pradeep Sharma as well as Sachin Waze were known to be close to each other, and as a result of which there might be a link that the NIA is trying to understand in this entire case, which is both the Antela as well as the Mansukh Hiren death case. Yes, Nupur.
Now, what we understand, Yesha, is that the NIA also, when it arrested these 2 people, prima facie, what they said was that they were perhaps linked with, the gelatin sticks that were found and procuring those gelatin sticks. Is the NIA being any closer now to being able to establish the link in this particular case and the conspiracy that was there behind it?
That's right. So, the entire angle was understood when Sachin Waze was arrested by the NIA officials, and they had tried to understand the link. They had ascertained that it was Sachin Waze who was the kingpin when it comes to this entire Antela bomb scare case, and it was he who had put those gelatin sticks in the SUV near the Antela residence sometime in the end of February. Now, considering that there's been arrest of 2 people who've been known to be the people who provided with this gelatin sticks. So what we understand is there's also be a link to this entire Mansukh Hiren death case, because there was a recreation that also took place by taking Sachin Waze to the actual residence, that is near Mumra, where the body of Mansukh Hiren was found. So the entire angle wherein Pradeep Sharma's house is being raided would be able to the NIA would be able to understand whether his role is to be probed in the Mansukh Hiren death case or the Antela bomb scare case, because when the investigation really was taking place, they were trying to understand the link between the 2 cases, because it was Mansukh Hiren's car that was found near Antela. Yes, Nupur.
Right, absolutely, Yesha. As you're pointing out, what we have this morning, of course, is that the NIA is conducting searches at the encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma's Mumbai residence. Now, here, of course, his home is based in Andheri, and that's where these searches are being carried out, just to establish what's been happening in the past few days. The NIA has also arrested 2 other people in connection with this case. Now, they have been accused of procuring the gelatin sticks that were found outside of Antela, in a car over there. Now, apart from that, of course, the NIA have also been are looking at closely establishing the linkages between Pradeep Sharma as well as Sachin Waze, who is, according to the NIA, believed to be behind this conspiracy of planting those gelatin sticks inside a car outside Antela in South Bombay. All right, so the NIA currently conducting searches at Pradeep Sharma's residence.